Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change LinkedIn password. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account. After that go for this your profile picture or profile icon over here. Just click on this drop down option and go for settings and privacy. Okay. After that, in this list, you have to go to this sign in and security option, and you can see the change password option is here. Just go for it. Here is your current password here. Okay. Uh, I'll type here my current password. You have to enter your current password here, and now you have to type your password for changing. Okay, and retype it. Okay, and go for this save password, and it's done. Go for just back. So guys, this is how you can change LinkedIn password. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.